So glad you clicked on that thumbnail, because that means that you want to make this awesome DIY this Christmas. Okay, I know you didn't click on the thumbnail because you want to listen to my lovely vocals. You want to know how to make this DIY, so keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey! Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. In this video today, I'm so excited because this is so amazing. I love how this turned out, and I'm so happy to show you guys how to make this. Literally, it's so versatile, it's inexpensive, and I think you're going to love it. So literally there's nothing more that I can say about it because I'm just so excited to show you. So let's get started. The main materials you're gonna need for this project are 2 1x4x8 boards, 3 of the Dollar Tree ornament signs, wooden letters, 1 pine pick, Santa snow, and spray paint of your choice. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ornament and I'm going to figure out how long I want my wood to be. And I'm gonna have those measurements that I chose down below. Alright, so now I'm going to take my wood to my miter saw and cut it. If you don't have a miter saw and you purchase your wood from Home Depot or Lowe's, they will cut the wood for you. And you're going to make sure that you want to get 4 pieces of wood for each letter that you're going to be using. So you should have 12 pieces in total. Okay, so now I'm going to start working on my ornament, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that tin part at the top using a butter knife, because don't use your hands because I literally cut my finger trying to do this. So use a butter knife to remove that top part. So after we've removed the top, now I'm just going to take my pen and I'm going to trace the ornament onto some poster board. You don't have to use poster board if you don't want. You can just spray paint onto your ornament. But the poster board helps to cover up the Merry Christmas and all of that stuff, so you don't have to worry about putting on tens of thousands of coats just to cover that up. So now using my spray adhesive, I'm going to attach that poster board to the front of the ornament. Okay, so now I'm going to spray paint the ornaments. So I spray painted the ornaments first with just a white spray paint, and then I came back with the Valspar spray paint, and the color is almond for my top coat. So after I've cut the wood, now I'm just going to take my palm sander and I'm going to start to smooth out the edges and round them out. You don't have to round them out, you can keep them straight if you want to, but I'm just going to be rounding them with my palm sander. So I just want to show you real quickly that this left side here doesn't have round edges, but the right side does. So it's all up to you if you want to have the round or the straight edge. Okay, so the next step is trying to recreate the same stained look on these wooden letters onto the wood that is going to be our back. So I'm going to be using weathered oak first, and then I'm going to use classic gray, and then I'm going to add simply white. So now that I've added white onto the boards, I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to just dry brush just a little bit more of the white stain onto each board. So I cut down some pieces of wood to fit onto the back of the board here. You can use trim to do this as well, but I'm just going to take my wood glue and some of the glue from my glue gun, and I'm going to attach this to the back. I would highly recommend using E6000 as well, but I don't have any. Still, I don't have any E6000. But yeah, I'm just going to attach this to the back, and then I'm also going to use my staple gun, and I'm going to staple it down as well. So now I'm going to start to reassemble the ornament, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just attach my top back. Now I'm going to take my spray adhesive and I'm going to add my letters to the center of each ornament. Alright, so now I'm going to take my pine pick that I picked up from Walmart, and I'm just going to use it to cover the holes of each of the wooden letters. And these wooden letters I got from the Target dollar spot for $1 each. Alright, so just to give this a little bit more character, I'm going to use my Santa Snow and start to add it to each piece, just to give it that winter Christmassy feel. So now I'm going to attach my ornaments, and to do this I'm just going to be using my glue gun, but I would use E6000 again as well to attach these. Now the last step is just adding your Sawtooth hangers to the back of each piece. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you do this, oh my gosh, please tag me because I want to see it. But anyways, I will see you in my next one. Bye.